Hello students, this is our fourth lecture of the process control technique. In this lecture we are going to study the C chart. I also explain you in the earlier lecture also, when we use C chart we will use a C chart when the number of defect per unit is given, then and only then when we are solving the C chart. So let's start with there is a control limits. So control limits of C chart. First is central line. Central line is equals to C bar. What is the formula of the C bar? C bar is equals to sigma C upon N. Then upper control limit is equals to C bar plus 3 under root C bar. And lower control limit is equals to C bar minus 3 under root C bar. Simple enough. Only we have to find out the C bar. Right? Let's start the illustration number 30. There is a 20 piece number is given, defect C is given. So let's start. The number of the defect noticed in a 20 cloth piece are given below. Decide whether process is in the state of the statistical control or not. So first we find out the piece number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and last 20. Then defect per unit C 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 6, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 8. Let's get total of all the defects. Total of all the defect is equals to 80. So we will find C bar is equals to sigma C upon M. Sigma C is equals to 80. Number of item is 20. It will come 4. C bar come 4. Let's find out the limits. First, central line is equals to C bar, that means 4. Then upper control limit is C bar plus 3 under root C bar. C bar is 4 plus 3 under root 4. 4 plus 3, answer of the under root 2 will come 2. So it will come 10. Upper control limit is equals to 10. Now lower control limit is equals to C bar minus 3 under root C. So it will come 4 minus 6. 3 2 is 6. It will come minus 2. Right? So here as we are taking lower control limit as equals to 0 just because it's in a minus. So let's draw the chart for the C chart. There is a format of the C chart. On the x-axis we are taken the samples. On the y-axis we are taken C. The upper control limit is equals to 10. So we have marked at the 10 up to 10 and lower control limit is 0. So we start with the 0 to 10. Right? Let's put the marking for the first sample on the first, then second, fourth. For third is 3, For fourth, it will come 2. For fifth, it will come 5. For sixth, it will come 4. For seventh, 6. For eighth, it will come 7. For ninth, 2. For 10th, 3. For 11th, again 2. For 12th, it will come 5. For 13th, 7. For 14th sample, 6. 15th, 4. 16th, 5. 17th, 2. 18th, 1. 19th, 3. For 20, it will come 8. Let's join all the points. How the chart look like? Let's place the control limit, upper control limit and lower control limit. Lower control limit is 0, so it's a lower control limit also 0. Control limit, central line is 4, so let's place it on the 4th line. Central line. Upper control limit is 10. Upper control limits. We can conclude that all the points are between the limits. No one point goes to the above the upper control limit and below the lower control limit. So process is under control. Understood? This is a C chart. Now we are solving the illustration number 15. 15 samples of the each 20 cycle are inspected and the number of the defects are given below. Draw an appropriate chart and also obtain the control limits for the future production. So number of defect is given, so draw an appropriate chart and number of defects are given. So we will solve with the C chart, right? So let's find out the solution. Illustration number 15. First we have to take all the samples. First we have to find out the C bar. So I am not writing down all the points, just we are taking the total of it, all the defects. So 6 plus 7 plus 15 plus 10 plus 26 plus 15 plus 12 plus 10 plus 5 plus 6 plus 19 plus 25 plus 20 plus 2 plus 8. So total sigma c upon n. Sigma c will come 186 and the total samples are 15. So it will come 12.4. C bar come 12.4. Now central line is equals to C bar. So it will come 12.4. Now upper control limit. C bar plus 3 under root C. C bar is 12.4, sorry, plus 3 under root 12.4. 12.4 under root 3.52 multiply with 3. It will come 10.56. So 12.4 plus 10.56. Upper control limit will come 22.96. You can see that 22.96. Now lower control limit. Lower control limit is equals to C bar minus 3 under root C. So 12.4 minus 10.56. Answer will 1.84. So lower control limit is equals to 1.84 and upper control limit is 22.96 and central is 12.4. So let's make a chart. This is the format of the C chart. On the x-axis we are taken a sample. On the y-axis we are taken the C. The range of the C you can take any as per your choice. Right? In the book it is given 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. And I have given the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So as per your convenience you can find your own range. It's based upon you how neat and clean your chart is. When you take a gap of the small the chart will become a more clean and you can identify the exact amount out of it. So let's place the values. So for first it is a 6. For second it is 7. For third 15. For fourth 10. For fifth 26. For sixth 15. For seventh 12. For eighth 10. For ninth 5. For 10th 6. For 11th 19. So it will come here. For 12 25. 13 20. 14 2. 15 8. Let's join all the points very quickly. Sorry, it will go like this. You can see. Now we are putting the limits. Lower control limits 1.84, so it will come here. Lower control limit. Central line is 12.4. Central line. Then upper control limit is equals to 22.96. That is around 23. We can see that there are 2 points are out of control. 1 and 2. So we have to modify the limits. So let's modify the limits. So first we have to modify in the C bar. What would be the total? Total is 186. Out of that there is a 2 samples are out of control. So one is 26 and the second is 25. So 26 minus 25. Out of 15 sample we are taken a 2, so it will remain only 13. So 186 minus 26 minus 25, it will come 135 upon 13. Central line will come 10.38. Now upper control limits. Upper control limits is equals to C bar plus 3 under root C bar. 10.38 plus 3 under root 10.38. plus 9.66, it will come 20.04. Upper control limit. Now lower control limit. C bar plus 3 minus C bar. 10.38 minus 9.66, it will come 0.72. Lower control limit. There is a D. Modify limits of the C chart. Understood? Thank you.